Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today my group and I would like to present our project about a mobile application for shopping groceries list. In this presentation we will explain what the app is about, its main features, how it can help user in daily life and why we think it is practical and beneficial. We hope this presentation will give you a clear understanding of our idea. I would like to introduce our group member, which consists of 5%. And first one, Mohammad Aiman Hakimi bin Abdul Wahid as project manager and Firebase integration leader. And the second one is Mohammad Haikal bin Mohammad Jaki, UI UX designer and front end developer. And third one is Mohammad Haikal bin Azman, documentation and report coordinator. Next is Mohammad Aiman bin Junaidih as quality assurance and testing leader, and me, Mohammad Azim bin Khala, back end developer and local storage manager. This is our lesson outline, which consists of 6 things. First is introduction, following by objective, problem statement, application scope, application architecture, and screenshot. Introduction of our app is how can technology help improve our daily shopping habits. Smart Grocery List is a mobile app that helps user manage groceries and budget easily. Built with Flutter, it works on Android and it uses Firebase for login and store data locally for convenience.
So now let's move to the objective. So the first one is to provide an intuitive platform to manage grocery items, which is add, edit, mark as purchase and delete. The second one is to enable real-time budget tracking with spending limits. Next is organize items by categories, for example fruits, dairy, meat and so on. And then to ensure secure user authentication using Firebase. And the last one is deliver a clean, modern and user-friendly interface across devices. For the problem statement, users continue to use manual techniques, including handwritten lists, which are frequently misplaced or forgotten. Additionally, it is inefficient since it will result in missing or duplicate purchases. Also, it will take a lot of time without centralized digital assistance. When purchasing food, users also have trouble keeping track of their spending. Additionally, users are unable to monitor previous spending, which will result in poor budgeting control. Therefore, a smart app is required to solve every issue. So our scope is the Smart Grocery List app, includes basic features like adding, editing, deleting, and marking items as purchased. Users can organize items into categories and set a budget to track their spending. It also supports secure login with Firebase and works offline using local storage. Our future versions will include extra features such as list sharing, QR code scanning, purchase history, folder organization, notifications, and integration with grocery store APIs.
The Smart Grocery List app is built using a simple and modular architecture, making it easier to manage and scale. It is divided to the three main layers, which is user interface layer, service layer, and model layer. The area layer include the screen user interact with, which is login, registration, and the grocery list. The service layer handle the app core logic, where on service manage user authentication using Firebase, and storage helpers save and retrieve data locally using the share reference. The model layer define how data is structured, with the grocery item model represent each item in the list. The app start from the main dot, which analyze Firebase and check the user login status. Depending on this, the user is either taken to the login screen or direct to the grocery list. After login or register, user can add and edit and track grocery item and set their budget. This section are stored locally through the storage helper, while on service ensure secure user access. This architecture makes the app efficient, secure, and ready for future improvement.
So this is our front page for our app. So first of all, for new user, we have to sign up for new user. So we need to enter our username. So after sign up, it will directly get you into the grocery page. So this is the front page for our apps. So the first thing that I want to highlight is feature here, which is QR code scanner. So for this QR code scanner, it can scan the QR from other user so that it can import the grocery list directly to your profile. So like this import. So as you can see here, we can get the grocery list from other user. So you can edit here the quantity, the price, and the category. So other than that, if you want to remove the item, just slide to the left and then delete. If you want to clear the item in your grocery list, just click clear all, and then it will remove everything. So if you want to edit manually, just click the add button here, put your item name, quantity, price, and the category. But I suggest you to use quick add function, which separated by category. So for the example here, I want to add chicken breast, and I can edit here. I can put the price, the quantity, and update. So let me add some other item first. Okay, so as you can see here, and on top of here, I have set budget limit for 100 ringgit. So if you click, you can edit the budget limit. For total cost here is the amount of item that is added to the grocery list. So whenever you tick the item, it will turn to spend. So you can see the remaining amount of budget you have here. So that is for the budget overview. So lastly, for the profile, so when you click the profile, you can edit the username and also the email address, but you cannot change the password yet. Other than that, that is all. So I log out first and I try to log into another email. So as you can see here, it is zero because I haven't add anything yet to this account. So when we log in back to the previous account, so everything on the list before is still here because it is bind to the user account. So that is all for our apps. Thank you.
Last part is testing summary. Smart Grocery List app was tested to make sure that each part can work properly. Unit test was done on features like adding items, saving data, and logging in to the Firebase. This test will help to check the app if it can handle user action and data correctly. Integration tests were also used to see how well everything will work together. For example, after user login, they should be able to add item and set budget and see the correct updates on the screen. These tests will help them to make sure the app works smoothly from start to finish. The app design are also tested to make sure it look good and work on different screens. Button forms and scrolling were also checked to make sure they respond properly. Security tests were done to keep user data safe by using the Firebase login.